This one goes a little something like this. Going around fucking Browntown town, fucking around, fucking singing a bit. It's a pretty good town. Sass mate come up to me and he says, "Wanna go fishing, Les?" And I said, "You know what? Why not?" So we popped down the ticket, started up the hunt, and off we went. It was about noon. It was a fucking good day for a mate. Sass mate rolled a big fucking dude of some sketchy that he blew fucking I can't smell the beer. Wasn't even fucking lit yet. So Sass mate lit the noose. Broke the big jaw. Then he passed it to me. Oh fuck, what you doing anyways? Fucking tell you what I did, Donnie. I took a great big fucking token, fucking oath cunt had made me choking, fucking hell mate, I got so high. I thought I was gonna die. Then I said to Sass mate, "Can we go shore?" And he said, "Sure mate." "What for?" Said, "I need to hang a fucking bush poo." He said, "Mate, go do what you gotta do." And I said, "Fuck yeah." Fucking oath.